name's Chris. I'm a technician with Lazimi Lock and Key. Lazimi Lock and Key is a locksmith company serving the South Bay area of Los Angeles since 1972. Today we're going to describe the three basic functions involving little to no keys. We've got the passage function, we've got the privacy function, and we've got the dummy function. Passage function would be no locks, just moving back and forth. Privacy function would be semi-security, you need a bathroom. And then you've got your dummy function. Dummy would do nothing, doesn't turn, doesn't actuate anything. This would be for like a closet door or decorative door. Right now I'm going to introduce to you the passage function. Passage function is usually what is most commonly used in your areas where you're just going in and out. This would be for a hallway door or usually a closet door, usually doors that don't have to have any type of locking mechanism or any way to lock it from the inside. It's just a passage. This glass knob is a passage knob. As you see from the outside, I can just grab it, turn it either way. It'll let me through this side of the door. We turn it around, we see the other side is a glass knob as well, which also if I turn this on this side of the door, I can get to the other side of the door. That's the passage function. The next function I'm going to talk to you about, the privacy function. Privacy function is what you're finding on your restroom doors, bedroom doors, bedroom doors where you wouldn't have a key involved. Privacy is a lock that's going to lock, but it's not going to be locked with a key, so you're not going to be all too secure with this lock. You just want a quick lock to lock from the inside to let the person who grabs the outside of the handle know this room is being occupied. So here we have the privacy lock. The privacy lock, as I say, is going to be open always from the outside, unless from the inside I push a button. When I push this button, it tells the person on the outside this restroom is being used or this room is being occupied by somebody who does not want to be disturbed. So how I work this is I would push one button from the inside to lock the outside. Now from the inside, usually turning the knob will release the privacy lock as for the outside to enter. Also about the privacy lock, you want to remember that it's not meant to be 100% secure. So if I push the privacy lock from the inside, from the outside, there's usually a small hole, which this hole usually has a small screw or a small push that you just push it to unlock the inside of it. This would be for like if a small child was locked inside. So here we have the dummy function, not much to it. Obviously, if I grab it, it does nothing, doesn't turn, doesn't actuate anything. There is nothing on the side for it to do. Purpose of the dummy function, sometimes on a closet door, would be to grab it and pull. It would have a spring latch on the inside. Or just for a stationary door, French doors, one side has no functioning locks, and that's what the dummy function would be for. Be sure to check out our website at www.lazimi-locksmith.com. We got that video and a bunch of other videos coming for you guys, including some really cool lock picking tutorials. Once again, my name is Chris with Lazimi, and thank you.